Good morning, everyone. We're gonna feed this baby bird now. Hope you enjoy this. Mixing up formula, like always. It's the Hagen's formula. It's listed down in the video description. This is the little Indian ringneck that we're feeding. And just gonna mix this up. Now y'all know I use this little plastic tip. These are on eBay. I can't find them on Amazon. I'm thinking about ordering a bunch and then selling them, like in packs of 10. You have to order a big box of them off eBay from a veterinarian supply store. If you think that you would be interested in buying, like 10 at a time directly from me, let me know that and I'll see about doing that. I'm not ready to do that just yet, but I don't know. It was just a thought that I had.
Oh, you were much farther.
Catherine's here. She's such a good helper for me. Hey, baby, you gonna step up? Look at that. Look at what a sweet little baby that is.
I just fell in love with him. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Here we go. You want some? Huh? Let's turn this up just a little bit. Like that. Look at that sweet baby. Would you just look how sweet that is? Come back over here.
So Dad, what kind of baby, what is this again?
This is an Indian ringneck parakeet, a violet green mutation. He's going to start flying soon. He has some food in his brooder that he's starting to eat on, so he's not terribly hungry right now.
Oh, he's so cute.
You want some?
He's like, ew, I don't like it. I'm too old to have this.
Look at that. He's spitting it out.
He doesn't like it.
No. I'm going to add just a little bit more water. Maybe if it was thinner, he would prefer it thinner.
His neck is really long right now.
His neck? Yeah, he has that all stretched out. I think he has some food in his crop from where he was eating pellets. Don't you think?
Yeah.
He's a cutie, isn't he?
Yeah. Hi, little guy. It's okay.
Come on.
Aw, he just jumped. It's okay. Go to Daddy. Go to your dad.
You don't know what to do you? There's too many fingers, too many hands.
And too many cameras.
Yeah. I've got stuff all over me.
Same.
Here.
I think he's trying to settle with us or something.
Come here.
Let him feed you. Baby, let the daddy feed you.
There we go. That'll be enough for right now. Oh, look, I have mixed up way too much. I'm going to give this to...
Dad!
What?
Spilling.
Am I spilling it?
Yeah.
Oh, he has.
Dad, a drop of it on your phone case.
Yeah, we will live. Of course, that's Lolita the Amazon in the background, and I have formula all over me. This little baby, he's going to be weaned sooner than we ever thought. Okay, so I was asked what kind of brooder we use for the baby ringnecks. And I tell you, it is a huge intensive care unit from Brincia, or Brincy. I grew up, I say grew up. I've always called it Brincia, just because I'm a redneck and I like to pronounce lots of vowels. But I've been told it's just Brincy. But it's this big this big brooder that we have. I think it's over $700 brand new. I know that not many people are going to have that. But you can certainly use an aquarium to do that, to incubate, or to brood the baby birds with.
Or baby chicks.
Or baby chicks, if you have the proper top for it and an actual thermostat. A thermostat is absolutely necessary to maintain the proper temperatures.
Daddy, he has brown eyes like me and you.
He does. He is beautiful.
Can we keep him?
I don't think so, baby. His parents already have eggs again.
So I won't keep
Yeah.
him.
We're gonna let him go live with somebody else, okay?
Meh.
Yeah. So we'll keep a blue baby, okay?
Okay. And that be my baby.
So yeah, this guy is available if you live within driving distance and you're interested in acquiring this baby and having him at your home. Let me know down in the comments. He is a violet green. You can see the beautiful purple colors on his tail.
I thought he was a violet turquoise.
No, he's a darker green, kind of an emerald olive green color, but his tail is that beautiful, beautiful purple violet color, and we just love him. He is adorable and beautiful. So let's show the brooder that we have for him.